Leo, my fire babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to this page with a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is joy. Make a joyful noise. Your life is elevating. The smallest source of joy can be the hugest source of gratitude, which is going to springboard you to the level of evolution, success, and prosperity. Laughing at yourself, laughing at a clumsy dog, laughing at a clumsy baby, being able to breathe, be able to come home at the end of the day, be able to clock in, clock out. These small superpowers that we have are a great source of joy that can make sure that we propel to the next level. Like a child, I discovered the joy and simplicity of life. Happiness lies in the magical moments, not in the material. What you have cannot be bought. Even the smallest source of joy is a great source of light. So light up your world, not only for yourself, but your kingdom. You're here to help because you're in charge of a huge amount of land, a huge community of people. And I know you're ready. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.